my damn window. Hawk is at my bird feeder. Look. It's in the water. Oh my God. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Outside my room window. Oh, it's so amazing. And I put spring water in there, the mountain spring water. He's drinking water. Oh my God, this is awesome. Oh my God. She flew around the corner. Oh my God. Y'all see the hawk? Remember I told y'all I have a hawk feather. Oh my God. It was right outside my window. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Period. Peace and love.